Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Now again I am here with English subject. In last 4 sessions we have learnt about capital cursive letters A, B, C and D. So, in this session, we will learn about capital cursive letter E. Capital cursive letter E. In a phonic sound, E says eh. E says eh. Now, as you can see, this is my capital cursive letter E. This is my capital cursive letter E. Now, I will show you some pictures which starts from letter E. And through these pictures, easily you can understand. Now, I will show you all the pictures. As you can see, S is elephant. S is elephant. Spelling of elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Spelling of elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Do you know? Elephant is the biggest land animal. And it lives in the forest. It has 2 trucks. Trucks means daant. And a long trunk. Trunk means soon. It is black in color. It is black and grey in color. So now again say spelling with me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E for elephant. Now my next picture is egg. S is egg. Spelling of egg, E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. Eggs are very healthy food. We get eggs from hen. It is in oval shape and it is in white color. It contains lot of protein. Which is good for health. Now we will say spelling of egg, E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. Now our next picture is eggplant. The second name of eggplant is brinjal. The second name of eggplant is brinjal. Means उसका second name क्या है? Brinjal. This is a vegetable. And it is in purple color. इसका color क्या है? Purple. And it is very healthy vegetable. For our body. Now we will say the spelling of eggplant. E-double-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. E-double-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. Say again. E-double-G-P-L Now our next picture is eye. Our next picture is eye. Say spelling with me. E-Y-E-I. I means आँखें. I means आँखें. E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. It means आँखें. It is very important part of our body. It is very important part of our body, and it also a sense organ, and it also a part of a sense organ. We can see the wonderful world with the help of our eyes. We can see the wonderful world with the help of our eyes. So, we should take care our eyes from dust and from bright lights. So, हमें अपनी आँखों की देखभाल रोज करनी चाहिए. मॉर्निंग में उठते ही हमें अपनी आईज को वॉश करना चाहिए अच्छे से. Now again say spelling with me. E-Y-E-I. 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 Now again we will revise the spellings of all the pictures. Now say with me. E-Y-E-I. 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 Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. E-G-G egg. E-G-G egg. E-G-G egg. Now I will show you how to write capital cursive E. Capital cursive E. As you can see, here are 4 lines. First, second, third, fourth. How many lines are here? 4. First, second, third, fourth. We will start from the second line and go upwards and draw one curve and second curve and pause. Again we will write, start from the second line, go upwards, draw one curve and second curve and pause. Now third time we start from the second line, go upwards, take one curve and second curve and pause. I hope you have understood how to write capital cursive letter E. Capital cursive letter E. Now this is homework time. You will find things which starts from letter E. From letter E. What is the homework? You will find, आप वो चीजें ढूंढेंगे things which starts from letter E, जो E letter से start होती हो. Okay, I hope you have understood how to write capital cursive letter E. Okay kids, bye. Have a nice day.